Okay, so what do I do here? Well, again, I want to get the absolute value by itself, so I'm going to add 4 to all the sides. I'm adding 4 to all my sides, and I get 10 on the right side, because it turns out 6 plus 4 is 10. And then I'm still left with 2 times the absolute value of x plus 3. What do I do next? Well, I want to get the absolute value by itself, so I'm multiplying by 2. Opposite of multiplication, yep, division. So absolute value of x plus 3 is greater than or equal to 5. You know what? I want to put this on another page. So absolute value of x plus 3 is greater than or equal to 5. Is it greater than or equal to? Yep, it is. Okay, so how does this break down? We consider x plus 3 is greater than or equal to 5, or we consider x plus 3 is less than or equal to negative 5. So again, what you do, if you watch the previous videos, you'll see that I'm just kind of repeating myself. You write the original statement without the absolute value, you flip them, and you make it negative. Okay, so then I solve. So I subtract 3 from both sides, x is greater than or equal to 2. Subtract 3 from both sides, x is less than or equal to negative 8. There you go. There's my answer. But really, you know, let's graph it, because graphing is fun. So here is negative 8. Here is 2. If I say x is greater than or equal to 2, that means that it's going to be off on this side. If I say x is less than or equal to negative 8, that means it's off on this side. Okay, by the way, if you struggle with this, as long as x is on the left-hand side, there's an arrow going this direction, which means that this one goes in this direction right here. And then you have an arrow going in the opposite direction, so that's why this one goes here. So because these are separate, this is an OR. It's called an OR. Okay, we can write this in what's called interval notation. This is what's called set. This is what's going to be called interval. That's ERVAL. Okay, and this goes from negative infinity to negative 8. It's closed because this is closed, because this is closed. And we say or, this U means or, it also stands for union, which means or, to infinity. To infinity. And this to infinity means I'm going out in this direction, starting at 2, I'm shooting to the right to infinity. So this would be an interval notation. Cool? Or you can put it like this. This is in set notation. Alright, hopefully that makes sense. I'll see you when I see you.